The high-stakes clash between the White House and the federal courts reaching the Supreme Court today.
Presidents want to get things done.
The Trump administration hoping to convince the justices that a single federal judge in a single state has no authority to block an executive order for the entire country. President Trump facing nearly 40 so-called nationwide injunctions on a host of issues so far in his second term, particularly on immigration, including today's case about lower courts blocking President Trump's executive order stripping birthright citizenship for children born in the U.S. to undocumented immigrants. The court's conservative majority today seeming open to the administration's arguments on the dangers of judicial overreach.
There are 680 district court judges, and they are dedicated and they are scholarly, and I'm not impugning their motives in any way, but sometimes they're wrong.
But some liberal members of the court grilling the administration on what happens if judges cannot block an executive order they believe is illegal on a nationwide basis.
Let's just assume you're dead wrong. Does every single person that is affected by this EO have to bring their own suit?
Democratic state officials backing today's suit, arguing a patchwork of citizenship would emerge if the administration wins here, with rights varying from state to state. Still, there has been bipartisan criticism of judges abusing nationwide injunctions, incentivizing so-called judge shopping for sympathetic courts.
We are being hit hard by judges that I think they're trying to take away the power of the presidency.
And Laura's here. There are new developments in the case of that Wisconsin judge who was just indicted.
Yes, Hannah Duggan making a brief appearance in court today, pleading not guilty. Remember, she's being charged with helping an undocumented man being escorted out the courtroom so he could evade arrest. She's now saying, Lester, she's entitled to judicial immunity.
All right, Laura, thanks. Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.